That threat of the late night freeze or the overnight freeze is what has a lot of people across the area concerned.
Yeah, and Mark, one reason that we're dealing with this is the unbelievable drop of temperatures in the past 24 hours.
Well, we were all talking about timing, when the rain would be here, when that Arctic air would start to arrive, and we got the front edge, which helped to start some of the freezing rain as well as sleet, and that in turn has caused a number of travel problems through those areas we've been talking about. But now the heart of this really cold Arctic air starts to move into central Alabama, and it will be noticeable. As a matter of fact, I expect as an average we'll be around 20 degrees by early tomorrow morning. Right now, our live storm track tower camera from atop Red Mountain here in Birmingham, well, it's 29 degrees. You know, it's hard to believe that we were looking at temperatures which were in the upper 70s, and then we're now into the 20s and dropping. Wind chill 17. So if you do have to head out, try to at least cover your head as well as your hands, heavier jacket and layered clothing, because in the event you have to get out in this for an extended period of time, you will lose body heat very quickly, especially with that wind blowing and helping to make it feel colder. Makes your body work a little bit harder as well. Here's the winter weather advisory, which is in effect until 6 o'clock. That is for our southern tier of counties, and you can see it does not include the Birmingham metro area, but it does actually continue across for Shelby, Chilton, Bibb, Greene, Hale, Sumter, Talladega, Coosa, Clay, and Cleburne counties. And actually, I should say back over towards Clay County as well. And these are going to be areas that you're going to have a little bit of slippery driving, and there might be a little bit of the precipitation left over, but that's about it. The area that is most concerning right now is obviously our northern counties up along the 278 corridor. It is 29 degrees in Birmingham, as I mentioned, but 32 all the way down into Alabaster, 32 for Anniston, 24 in Coleman, 30 in Jasper. Factor in that wind, this is going to be uncomfortable. Folks, it's going to be a really, really rough start tomorrow with temperatures down into the teens. A little bit of a breeze will put us into the single digits to start the day. It feels like 18 in Hamilton, 23 in Tuscaloosa, 15 in Coleman. Gadsden, it feels like 21 right now to exposed skin, so cover up, and if you can avoid being outside tonight, good idea to do so. Here is our Storm Track hour-by-hour forecast. Those temperatures will begin to drop as we pass the midnight hour down into the lower 20s. Notice the cloud cover, but no precipitation. That's good news. As a matter of fact, I just saw a tweet from Lee Garner up in Double Springs where there was a little bit of sunshine. It was breaking through the cloud cover, so a little bit of ray of hope there. And the clearing process will continue because all of this is gone. It's now really rained itself out, and we are going to continue to clear as our Storm Track forecast, futurecast right now shows that tomorrow morning we should have a good bit of sunshine. Now, it's still going to be cold, but that sun will do its work on the ice, and in areas that are maybe shaded, it may take a little more time. But later tomorrow, temperatures get into the 40s and upper 30s across central Alabama. So things are looking good right through Saturday afternoon. Finally, some sun, a dry stretch of weather right through the weekend before a few scattered showers start to slip back in here by the first of next week. But if you notice, by Sunday at noon, a few high clouds that will begin the process of our transition as we get into that next chance of showers. And again, our temperatures as we've gone through the afternoon, these numbers right on cue with what we'd expect for a Arctic blast. 19 tonight, scattered clouds, but we'll continue to see those eroding, and then the extended. Actually, our Storm Track 7-day forecast looks pretty good. We'll have a shot at a few showers late on Sunday, but a better chance of rain, maybe a thunder shower late Monday into Tuesday, and highs in the 60s and low 70s once again. Trent?